Okay, so we are looking at the dollar CAD for continuation short. So we've had the first move down to 38.2, bounced off that, retested it, as consolidated a little bit, and then it's broken today. Just extended to 50%, seems to be wanting to keep going. So next target is 133, and then below that we've got 132.70s, the low 70s. So a couple of decent downside targets for today. You can see it on the weekly as well. Nice bearish candle. It's just filling the wick now, having a good go at it off the 50%, which is 133.76. So you know it's got scope to go down and potentially test that weekly trend line, which is down at the low 132. So it's only Tuesday and we've got plenty of scope for this to keep going to the downside. Unsure how choppy it's going to get. Watch from an intraday point of view, because on the 1 hour, you know, it's retraced 50%. It could find support here and it could bounce up again and have another stab to the upside, which could then present you another shorting opportunity, you know, decent entry up here somewhere. So really have to see if it can break down and keep going. If it does, then as I say, there's the first two immediate targets, and then extended levels you'd be looking for down to around 132 on dollar CAD. If we just put some fibs on there just to see where the extended levels are, we're looking at 132, 131.80s. So there is scope to the downside, further downside. It's got to clear this 50% area. It's got to clear this 133.16 area, which is also previous structure. If you look left on your chart, you can see that was a previous low, 133.16. So we've come to test that area. So if it can break this area, then you've got a clear path to the downside. If it finds support here, then it could retrace up and start rallying back up, and maybe then present you another shorting opportunity. So certainly from a daily point of view, though, it's bearish and it's done a beautiful move, and there's scope for further downside. So there's some good price action on the dollar CADs, one to watch today.